cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are reviewing Beautybay and Technidaze collection. Step 1, as always, is to start with an eyeshadow base. For today I'm gonna use the Beautybay base in the shade 01, Rumor 01. And while I'm doing this, let me tell you some first thoughts about the collection. I haven't used anything yet, so I have only seen the packaging, and that's why I decided to buy this whole collection, because the packaging is so 90s, and 90s basically is the era when I was born, so I can understand all the references, I can relate to the colors, I find it very, very beautiful and very, very much me. And I was thinking that I need to have a review about this collection here at my channel, and I bought the whole bundle, aka the palette, the cake liners, the brushes, although that this is not a brush from the collection. What else? Oh, the lip oil. So I'm gonna finish my coffee here, and after I do this I will start preparing my lips as well with some lip oils, because they're coming in 3 different flavors: the coconut, the cherry and the strawberry, and I'm really dying to try them all. I know that I'm not gonna be able to do that today, to have 3 different lip oils on my lips, obviously, but at least I'm gonna try the coconut, which is the most promising to me. So yeah, the base is ready, so let's move on to the interesting part. Today's plan is to go with a little bit more edgy look, so I'm gonna take this liner right here. This is from Glam Shop, but it's the only yellow that I have, and with this I'm gonna create some guidelines in order to see and understand better my motifs and where everything is gonna be on my eyelid. Perfect, and now it's time to dive into the brushes. So this is the case that they are coming in. It's amazing. I mean, look at this neon green. It speaks to my heart. Oh my god. I opened it upside down, so of course I made a mess. Anyway, I would like to show you the brushes. These are the brushes. It comes with 8 brushes, and basically I'm gonna take this one right here. This is a very nice thin angled brush. If you can see, the brushes have this chrome area right here, and the rest of it is transparent pink. I love it. If you know me, you can understand how much I love it. And now I'm taking their palette, Technidaze, and I'm gonna dive into the pink right here. It's called Dazed. Nice name, nice palette, nice layout. I'm impressed. I hope that the quality is gonna be equally amazing. But no, give me a second. Here we have a plastic on the mirror, and you know the tradition in this channel is to remove this plastic together with you. So that's what I'm gonna do today as well. Anyway, I'm diving to Dazed, and I'm planning to follow this line right here and apply the Dazed at the outer part of my eye. Now the plan is to continue with a very nice bold neon green eyeliner. I'm basically gonna use this color, which is called Rave, and I need again an angled brush, so of course I cannot go with the set, because in the set there is only one angled brush, obviously, so I'm taking this one right here. And let me share some first impressions, wow, it's so beautiful, about both the brushes and the pink that I used. First of all, the brushes are excellent. I think that in general Beautybay have very, very nice brushes. I really love them, really. And when it comes to the colors, I have tried a lot of Beautybay palettes. I had very high expectations, and the colors are according to these expectations, basically. They are very nice, very pigmented, as you can see here as well. I mean, the pink I used just a little bit to create this whole line here. I blend it out by itself without using anything extra, and it's just amazing. Same with the green here. Can you see how beautifully it is on my eye? The plan here is to make the green fade out as it approaches the inner part of my eye. So I'm gonna fade it out with this color. This is called Acid, and it's a very nice pastel green, I would say. Very, very beautiful color. I'm gonna take again a Beautybay brush. They don't have a name or anything, so I can refer them by something, but look at the shape. This is what I'm using. Ooh, it's very beautiful. I feel that the quality in this palette is slightly improved from the other palettes that I own from Beautybay, and I'm very happy about it because I already love their good quality. So if they can make it even better, if they can upgrade their game, this is even better. Time to connect everything by using some yellow. So I'm gonna use this one right here. It is called Hacienda. I cannot read it. Anyway, I'm gonna take this flat brush, I'm gonna take an amount of the yellow, and I'm gonna go here at the empty part that I have on my eye. And in the meantime, let's fix the lip oil. So here I have the coconut smurr. And to be honest, I have smelled it, but I haven't used it yet, so it's gonna be my first time. Again, it smells like a Barbie that I used to have when I was a child. I think her name was California Girl. California something anyway, and this Barbie used to smell this exact coconut smell, so to me it brings some very nice memories. I'm very happy with the smells, and I have so high expectations. Let's see it on the lips. It's not a very thick lip oil, so if you enjoy thinner formulas, I think that this will be your favorite. So if I need to measure it somehow, I have tried, for example, the lip oil from Tarte. I think this is way thicker, and to me this is not the most comfortable lip oil, in my opinion. On the other hand, we have from NYX the This Is Everything lip oil, if I'm not mistaken, and this is extremely thin. So imagine that this lip oil from Beautybay is kinda in the middle, or a little bit more to the thinner side, but it's not runny or anything. So if you enjoy this middle thickness, I think that this is gonna be for you. I'm planning to connect the green part with the yellow part by using this metallic eyeshadow from the palette. It's called Spectrum, but before I use it, I'm gonna make sure that I will have the perfect base for it. So I'm taking from Aden Cosmetics the Fix Potion. I'm gonna place an amount, and then on the top, I'm gonna go with this metallic. As you can see, we have finished with the main part of the eye look, and now it's time to have some fun. Now I'm about to use the Technidaze Aqua Faded Liner palette, and from this palette with the cake liners, I'm planning to use two colors. Oh, let me open it. Another difficult to open thing. Okay, so basically I'm going to use the yellow here in order to make the separation between the pink and the yellow more clear, because obviously I don't plan to blend them. And secondly, I'm planning to use this green right here, there, in order to create a sharp wing. Having tried the first eyeliner from the palette, I can say that the quality is very good. Basically, if you have the other palette that they created by the name, oh my god, Utopia, something like that, it's exactly the same quality. And if you have experience with transformation makeup and stuff like that, and if you have ever used aqua colors, basically the consistency is exactly the same. Here you need to be a little bit more careful because the surface is not that big, and if you put more than one drop of water, then you might make it very watery, and then you might need to wait a little bit until it gets a little bit less watery so you can apply it on your eye. Anyway, also I have used this brush from Beautybay collection. Like, it's a good eyeliner brush. I like super thin brushes, so to me this was a little bit thicker than my preference, so the plan here is to continue with this brush. Actually, this is a brush for nails originally, but I find it perfect to create a very sharp wing, so this is why I'm planning to take the green with this and just create my wing. Next step is to take this Crayon Eyeliner. This is from an older collection from Beautybay, the pastels. So this is in the shade Aurora. It's a very nice pastel purple, as you can see here. And after I apply this to my waterline, I'm gonna go back to the palette, and from the palette I'm gonna continue the bottom part of my eye by using the 1991. By the way, if you didn't know this about me, I was born in 1996, so this is a little bit older than me. But anyway, I'm planning to use this as well because I really would like to have an opinion about all the mattes of this palette. And then I'm gonna turn off the camera, I'm gonna fix my lashes, my face makeup, and I will come back. A lot of steps later, and here's what we have. So basically I find it kind of necessary to tell you all the products that I've used in order to create this base right here. Basically it's again and again the same products. You can check one of my older videos there to find out. If you're new here in this channel and you have no idea what I'm talking about, first of all, welcome! My name is Antigoni. I love doing makeup, I love using colors, glitters, although that in this makeup you cannot see this. I would be very happy if you subscribe and be a part of our family here. And if you wanna see more of the makeup looks that I have created, don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. My Instagram is Catlady Antigoni. I'm gonna leave it down here. And now let's go back to relevancy. One thing that I would like to mention about my face makeup is that instead of blush, I have used this eyeshadow. This is called Dazed, again, the same one that I have on my eyes, in order to bring everything together. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. So looking at the packaging, you can see a lot of smileys here and there. So today I decided to tell you the Greek word for smiley. So in Greek we say fatsula. Say with me, fatsula. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word fatsula, or tell me how you're calling smileys in your own native language. Time to do the lips. For today, I have decided to do something different because I would like to give a more elvish or fairy-ish vibe to this makeup look. I don't find that strict lips will necessarily fit this look. So first of all, I'm planning to use my concealer Camouflage Blush from Essence, and then on the top I'm gonna go with a very soft pink. This is the pencil Soft and Precise from Essence in the shade My Dream, and then again on the top I'm gonna go with my palette and the same shade that I have used as blush, and here at my inner part of the eye, Dazed, which is a very nice vibrant pink, and I'm planning to apply it only in the middle. So are you ready to see the whole procedure? Review time! So let me tell you what's my opinion about all these products. Let's start with the brushes. Basically, I love them. They are super soft and nice, and they help me so much to blend everything very smoothly. I love the case as well. I mean, this neon is everything. It's so beautiful. I don't know if I'm gonna keep my brushes here forever, but I love it as an idea, and definitely I'm gonna use it as a decoration to my room. My decoration is about to change, so stay tuned in order to see this. Okay, let's move on to the palette now. Let me show you the palette one more time. So basically the mattes are awesome. They're super blendable, buildable. I love that they contain a vibrant pink and then this pastel yellow, pastel purple and pastel green in the same palette. You know how much I love the pastels. You know my pastels palette condition right now. If you don't remember, let me show it to you. Look here. Look here, I have destroyed this palette. I love it so much. So basically, I'm very happy that they have this vibrant pink inside there. Now when it comes to the shimmers, I have tried this one. It's amazing, it's very good. I know the quality of Beautybay shimmers. Like, they're not the best shimmers out there, but they're very nice. I think that they have for sure improved their matte formulas a little bit more. When it comes to the shimmers, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna do some swatches for you right now. So basically, here we have the purple, here we have the green, and here we have the Champagne, I would say, Sunrise anyway, that's the name. Ooh, maybe they have improved their shimmer formula as well. Look how beautiful they are. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. One last product for today are the lip oils. Where are my lip oils? Come on, I'm losing everything here. So here we have them. I have tried both the coconut and then off camera I have tried the strawberry one because this makeup took me a long time to finish it, so I had the opportunity to try two of those and I think that they are very nice. Again, I told you that the consistency is not very runny, is not very thick, is right at the sweet middle spot, so I find them very nice for my lips. I think that with this consistency they can stay long enough on the lips, but not in an unpleasant way, in a way that you might need a wet wipe to remove them. They are perfect and they left my lips very hydrated, and as you see I have used a lot of powders on my lips, and let me tell you, it was so smooth and so perfect because I have prepared my lips correctly. Do I have to review anything more? Oh yeah, I have to review their cake liner palette. So basically, from this palette I have used two shades for today's makeup. The yellow one, which is called Hype, and the green one, which is called Utopia. Both of them are great. I'm so happy with Beautybay's eyeliners. They are great, and I hope that in the future they will release more palettes, more shades, because I will definitely gonna buy them and review them for you. Also, at the set, this hat was included. I mean, I don't have to review anything. It's a cute hat, like, what do you like? It's something different. It's very useful for the summer, but really it's not makeup. I don't have anything to say about it. And that was it. This was our video for today. Thank you so much for being here with me. I hope that you enjoyed the review. I hope that you enjoyed today's makeup. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and see you on Saturday with a more chatty video. Until then, bye bye!